is a privilege to fulfill our commitment and dedicate to our people.
Ya kita ki CCTV labo akilai potli ki jaka hakni ka nongbah Shillong bach potli ha nongbah tura ya kani ka project safe and secure Shillong lapli do menteri ramba ka jela Dr. Mukul Sangma ha ka jingalang balai don lang ka menteri kampo yang ka jela ka kong Roshan Wajiri ka menteri ka tanat sor ka kong Amperin Lingdo u chief secretary ka jela u ba PBO Wajiri u DGP u Rajiv Mehta bat ki head officer jong ka jela ka jaka labo ya ki CCTV kamera kilong ha police bazar 1 police bazar 2 police bazar 3 Benta bersyapok ke Polis Besar, Assam Sirio, JS Road, Grand Hotel Point, Sok-sun, Bimola Point, JS Road, Maukhar Point 1, Maukhar 2, Maungap Taxi Stand, Yodo, Maulonghat Point, Stanjip, Yodo, Yodo CR, Kli Yo, Jalupara, MES Relbong Shillong, Bati Bazar Laban, Laban Last Stop, DC Office, Yo Pulo, Safrolong, Lashumia, Dhankiti, Don Bosco Square, Lamkra Police Point, Yo Renja, Long Thmai, Madan Police Station, Maulai Police Station, Bat Robert Hospital Jauh. Hadirin gani ke phase 1, consider sa ke phase 2, hagaba undang bu susu CCTV kamera hagbabon ke jaka nongbah Shillong bat kumju ru akiwe ke district jong jela kani ke jingbo CCTV kamera ka nyarap omtang ya ki kambi an henrai ka nyarap ru ban pej ya karukom ya ki kali khamtam ki taksi ya ki take CCTV la pentrekam the North East Center for Technology Application and Reach ne ka nectar hagaba ka take tanat kala yarap shiklo tingka bat ka sarkar jela pat kala bai like lo tingka ki pulit kala kenturu ya ki dukan bahye hak jaka ko ma polis besar bat yodo bakin bo ya CCTV kamera kanang bakin yarap ik pulit ban bot dia ni ki breu ki bale ki kamluti ne ki no ki kampentrim.
You could see our policemen very relaxed, and all of us also feeling very safe and secure and relaxed. But a reminder by the DGP as well as by the Chief Secretary that there is more work for our policemen now with this new technology. I would say that more professionalism need to be pumped into the system with this modern technology. Yes, we always believe that basic policing is the best policing, and we all expect the policeman dominance in every nook and corner of the city and the state. But then it is not always humanly impossible. It's not possible daily because of shortage of manpower. And I find that from the presentation that we have just seen, this technology is really going to help us in the long run.
I would like to thank Nectar and the DG, because when we made a promise on the 19th of October 2012 that we will respond to the call of duty of making our cities safe and secure, and starting with Shillong, the capital. When we made that big promise, we had been pleased to have response from all concerned, all the stakeholders attending that program, and I thank all of you for that. And that itself motivated us to do something which is best, which is not just for the sake of doing, but which is comparable globally. So in the initial part, we are grappling around to find a partner who can support us with that kind of technology. And we went one after another presentations from various potential partners and service providers. We were not satisfied. Ultimately, it was BSNL who came forward that they will be able to do, but we were not satisfied. And in the meantime, somehow we came across, we just bumped into each other with the Nectar. And to ensure that, okay, with all kinds of possible technological solutions that they can give, which is comparable globally, we said, yes, we got the right partner. Right partner to provide the solution to our ambitious program. The ambitious program which are dreamt on behalf of the people of the state. So we're very happy. And to make it happen to ensure that, okay, Nectar doesn't go, somewhere and start, diluting their attention. We said, okay, what do they want? They wanted to establish the office from Shillong. We said, what do you need? They need land. We have given the land also, 5 acres of land. I hope you start investing for making that establishment of Nectar in Shillong, so that many more solutions in partnership with the state government can further be unleashed in the days to come.